Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles Day 2, Chitwan National Park. Today we are covering canoe ride, jungle walk, and elephant breeding center, guys. Morning 6 a.m. We left our hotel at morning 6 a.m. Now we are taking permits to enter the jungle. So first we will need to take a canoe boat ride to get into the jungle. Then we'll do a jungle walk, and finally we will reach the elephant breeding center. So enjoy this video, guys. So it's going to be fun. Guys, tiger footprint, show me.
Yeah, it's the fresh.
Huh?
It's the small one, is the fresh one. See, the smallest.
Yes.
Here also, it's a little bit bigger one, and you see it's a smaller one.
I think
God.
Yeah.
Oh God, guys. Tiger footprint. Wow. Termite house, guys. Termite colony.
It's broken by the sloth bear.
Parasite tree. This tree jumps from one tree to the other tree. See how it's enveloping the tree. God, it crushes the tree and kills the tree eventually. Oh God. Nature's predators, guys. Nature predators. God. Imagining walking in the jungle, guys, where wild animals will also be there. So he is our guide also, will be helping us to navigate through the jungle. They have given a set of binoculars so that we can enjoy rare species of birds like golden duck and as well as kingfisher birds. So many birds are available to see. So you will witness while doing the canoe ride. So enjoy the video, guys. Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles, guys. We are in the boating canonical ride. हम लोग बोट में जा रहे हैं बोटिंग canonical ride today. So we are planning to visit elephant breeding center.
Yes.
Elephant breeding center as well. Full boat भरे हुए हैं.
अभी तो एंजॉय करेंगे. Wow.
Full elephant भरे हुए हैं. So we are also starting. I'm waiting for the next boat. पूरा भरे हुए हैं boat पूरा. So we're enjoying the beautiful view of the elephant breeding center, guys. So all set. Many tourist people have come to Chitwan. People are going for the boat ride and beautiful boat ride, guys. And now they are leaving to the beautiful place. Hello, Anita ji. Kaha hai aap? Looking very beautiful. So people are leaving for the boating. Huh? हाँ वही ना सिंगल ट्रंक कल गए थे ना सिंगल ट्रंक so we are going, we are also starting our journey to the elephant breeding center, guys. To the elephant breeding center, enjoying this beautiful ride today. Mesmerizing climate, guys. Amazing climate. Wow, what a beauty.
See, this is small flying bird. Is a swallow and martin.
Okay.
Normally, they make a hole on the landslide area. And this bird is very smart bird.
This is what I was telling.
They make a two hole.
Oh,
If something go inside like a snake, something else, they come through the different hole.
wow.
So the name of this river,
Like a puzzle.
yeah, the name of this river called the Rapti River. This river comes from the northern boundary,
Okay.
near from the China, India.
It's a lake or a river? It's a
It's a
river.
river. It's a
I think
glacier.
it's a river canal.
Yeah, it's a glacier water.
Beautiful mist all over. The mist enveloped the lake. All the boats have started their journeys to the beautiful canonical jungle. And also the elephant breeding center. We're going to see them and experience the beauty of the elephant breeding center. Wonderful, guys. Amazing. Wow. This entire boat is made of a single trunk. Wonderful, guys. Just amazing. So stay tuned. We are waiting for the people to accumulate to start our journey. So we have started our journey in the canoe. You can see canoe boat is nothing but a boat made out of a single tree trunk. So everyone are sitting one behind the other. So we are witnessing this beautiful sunrise as we go on the Rapti River. Amazing views, guys, just amazing. We are trying to see as many birds as possible. We'll be able to witness the golden duck as you can see on the shore. So this is one of the riverbed of the Rapti River. You can see the golden duck bird. They often go in pairs. People say one duck expires, the other duck is eventually going to die. So you can see the golden duck. You might remember the same golden ducks were visible in the Kanchenjunga trek at the summit point. Similarly, here also you will see the golden ducks everywhere. So somehow we are balancing in this canoe ride and we are enjoying to its fullest exploring this jungle. So as we start our journey on the canoe ride, we should be very careful not to put our fingers or hand in the water. There might be marsh crocodiles or freshwater crocodiles which might be swimming in the nearby area which can attack. So we should be very careful. And as you can see, the beautiful vistas both sides, the river banks, and these are jungle guys, a big jungle where elephants, rhinos, tigers, deers, so many other animals live in harmony. So be very careful when you're navigating on this canoe ride. Don't put your fingers or any part of the body into the water. As you can see, there's a distant crocodile visible over here. The head and the eyes are clearly visible. It is also swimming just nearby to the boat, guys. Wow.
Visitors. Town I can stay. So we can stay here. So we spend the night here. Wow, beautiful. Wonderful.
The rare kingfisher bird in all its glory, guys. We're very lucky to witness this beautiful bird. Amazing scene. One more crocodile swimming just nearby. We are terrified, guys. Literally terrified.
Male always pretty, so colorful. You see this one is the male one.
Yeah, same bird, yes.
When they fly, it looks like different, full of white.
Oh.
So there is peacock on the
Peacock.
tree.
Yes, yes.
On the tree, yeah.
कहाँ पे peacock? Okay.
Good job, yes, exactly.
See the white bird. They have
Tree.
and there is the deer. We do have four
There's a white
species.
crane, I think.
Yeah, we do have four species of deer. The second biggest deer called the spotted deer.
Yes, yes.
So only the male they do have antelopes and female they don't have antelopes. So you see some antelopes.
I think this is not full adult. Yeah, antelope, yeah. Antelope, see the antelope on the right side. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Yes, pretty great. Pretty great.
The dog.
Yeah,
And
the golden duck.
Yeah,
Yeah,
golden.
the golden duck is wow.
This is the this duck always live in the compound and they make a sacrifice a lot. If one dies slowly within a few days, another also dies. And in this dog they are the vegetarian. Walking on the rhino,
The
crossing point of the animal.
foot trails of the rhinos.
So there is a blue bird.
Yeah.
Looking for the white protecting feature.
Beautiful. The stones here. Beautiful bird on the website. That's it.
Is the lab queen. We do have two species of the lab queen. And this one is the river lab queen and another one is the red water lab queen.
You can make my video.
So these birds normally they don't stay on the tree, normally they stay on the ground.
मेरा वीडियो नहीं
And they lay
अच्छा
eggs
से
on
बना
the
दे।
stone bank, similar to the stone.
देखिए तुम्हें कितना अच्छा वीडियो मिलता है।
One is river lab queen.
Yes, it is. There is a river canal. It's a river canal. It's a river canal.
No, it's a river.
It's a river.
Now this time, slowly the water going down. That's why like sometimes stop somewhere else like that. So later on, this water really go more down and it's very difficult for boating.
Yes, yes.
He's the last mother, he's the dangerous species. Sometimes they can eat everything. Sometimes you, me.
Razor sharp.
Yeah.
Razor sharp teeth.
Then
Beautiful flowers.
stone green sand and the lab queen. Beautiful. Yeah. Light out. See now brown color, yeah?
Yes, it's like this.
When they fly, full of white color.
Which bird is that?
Is the pond heron.
Pond heron.
Yeah.
The next one you can see two birds.
Black queen. Is the river black queen.
Guys, rhino footprint. Yeah, that has footprint. So guys, we are in the jungle walk. We are doing the jungle walk. So we have started our jungle walk, guys. Literally we are walking in the jungle and we are going to witness some rare animals as well, hoping for the best. But jungle walk is amazing, literally mesmerizing to walk in the jungle along with the guide. Entering the thick jungle, guys. God. Elephant. Ferocious elephant. We can hear animal sounds. Beautiful jungle, guys. We love jungle, guys. We love the jungle. A lot of sounds in there. Wait. So we have started exploring the jungle. We started walking fast. As you can see, we were trying to go to the elephant breeding center by crossing this jungle. And backside of us, you can see our Naseeb, who is our guide. He also knows about the jungle and all the species. He knows where the animal, what time they come for water or hunting. So we were guided by him. So we are slowly approaching the next place. Amazing, guys, amazing experience, literally. Sometimes we hear distant sounds, distant animal sounds as well. Sometimes we also witness animal shit as well. Animal, shit on the ground and urinate. Seeing the smell of the shit, you can tell which animal is it. And here we are going to witness some parasite trees also. One tree will envelop the other tree and eats it. Yes, guys, literally. Amazing species. And we're also seeing few other tourist people from across the world, US, other countries also, are coming enjoying the jungle walk. And also termites. Termite colony. We're in the middle of the jungle, guys. Crocodile area, elephant footprints.
I think this is wild elephant.
Wild elephant, that too, not domesticated. Wild elephant, guys. Wild elephant. Oh God.
Smell it. Rhino.
Oh. So many herons are there, yeah. So many are there. Wow. It's saying it is. Zone, guys. Wow. Oh God. Another tree, enveloping another tree. Amazing. The parasite tree. This tree jumps from one tree to the other tree. See how it's enveloping the tree. God, it crushes the tree and kills the tree eventually. Oh God. Nature's predators, guys. Nature predators. God.
That's one.
Guys, tiger footprint, show me.
Yeah, it's the fresh.
Huh?
It's the small one, is the fresh one. See, the smallest.
Yes.
Here also, it's a little bit bigger one, and this is a smaller one.
I think they
God.
do.
Yeah.
Oh God, guys. Tiger footprint. Wow. Termite house, guys. Termite colony.
It's broken by the sloth bear.
It's wild elephant rubbing on the trees' beaks. Oh God. Anita, a bit worried. I'm a bit worried about the river jungle. Oh
They
God.
have a red flower. Then after windy season, they have a cotton.
No.
That time the cotton flew everywhere, white cotton. So it's the first national
Elephant breeding and training center, guys. So ticket counter, guys. Elephant breeding center.
Elephant breeding center.
So male comes from the jungle and mates the female and then goes off to the jungle again. बच्चा देखो क्यूटी cute and it's washing.
मम्मी के पास जा रहा है.
बहुत प्यारा है. Mighty elephant, guys. With the young elephants as well. I see the beautiful elephant in all its glory. Wow, wonderful. शांत नहीं रह सकते ना, घूमते रहे. जो वो खा रही है वो तो खाना में लगी हुई है.
सो रही है. एक मम्मी के पास सो रही है.
वो आगे छोटी, बहुत छोटी है.
मम्मी के साथ सो रही है.
हाँ. वाओ. कुची. जाओ टच करो. हाँ टच करो जाओ. साइलेंस. आ जाओ. Beautiful baby elephant, guys. Wow. Very sharp. We come to the elephant breeding center, guys. So many elephants, beautiful elephants. We touched the elephant also. Sharp hair,
Yes.
very very sharp hair. Amazing elephant, guys. Amazing.
Dancing.
See the beautiful elephant breedings. Wow.
Wow.
अच्छा लगा ना?
Yes. बहुत मजा आई.
बहुत. देखो पीछे. वाओ, छोटा बच्चा. बहुत छोटा बच्चा है. 1 month old है.
बाबू.
हाय अनिता, हेलो.
फर्स्ट में हम एक साल देखा था ना,
वही बच्चा.
हाँ.
वो 8 महीना हो गया. Oh, these are all the babies from the wild elephant. Oh,
Puchu. Wow. It loves to play. It loves to play, guys.
he's cute shot.
That's mother. Eh? Touch करो जो उन्हें ये लौट लेगा Wow. Touch. So guys, here you can see the museum with all details of elephant. You know, the different life cycle of elephant life, as well as the prehistoric elephants, mammoths, and all details have been given, how the breeding happens, how the mating happens. And you can see the big skull over here, the elephant skull. It's tons of weight, guys, full of calcium. And you can see this all walls, they have mentioned all the facts about the elephant breeding center, different types of elephants, wild elephants, domesticated elephants, what kind of tools we need to use to maintain this breeding center, and so on. So enjoy this video. You can pause the video to read the billboards over here. You can see physiology of elephants mentioned over here, inside the elephants, what are the different body parts, and so on. Similarly, here you can see the breeds of elephants. So all the details have been very clearly given in this museum. Wonderful, guys. The skull over here, it's an elephant skull, guys. Elephant skull. इतना बड़ा देखो.
Head.
God.
Elephant head.
Very big elephant skull over here, guys. Oh God, amazing. Just amazing elephant skull. You can see tiny teeth also inside.
Yes.
Tiny teeth. Oh God, wonderful elephant skull, guys. Just amazing. लगा आपको elephant breeding center?
ये देखिए बहुत अच्छा था. ये एलिफेंट का हेड है पूरा. टीथ भी है, सब कुछ इसमें है. हेड, बड़ा सा हेड. बहुत अच्छा है. बेबी एलिफेंट की हम लोगों ने खूब खेला. बेबी एलिफेंट भी मिला, उसको टच किया, उसके साथ खेला. और हाथी जितने भी एलिफेंट्स हैं सब डांस कर रहे थे. वंडरफुल. यहाँ पर पूरा इस हॉल में पूरा पोस्टर लगा है डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एलिफेंट, और अलग अलग जो भी उनकी मतलब जो भी उनका प्रोसेस या जो भी उनकी दिनचर्या है, पूरा जो भी उनकी लाइफ है, पूरी लाइफ यहाँ पर आपको दिखेगी चारों तरफ. और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया गया है हाथी के बारे में. पूरे पोस्टर लगे हुए हैं. और ये उस हाथी का पट्टा है जो चेन से जो बैग को बांधा जाता है. ये चेन,
Big chain as well, guys. Wonderful.
ये क्या है इसके अंदर क्या है?
देखो पूरा skull दिख रहा है.
ये पूरा स्कल.
Wow, wonderful. So guys, finally we have completed the Chitwan National Park Elephant Breeding Center.
Yes.
Wonderful, guys. Conservation of elephants, mating of elephants, maintenance of elephants, amazing. Healthcare, everything has been factored here. Amazing, guys. The beautiful suspension bridge, guys, at the Elephant Center. Wonderful suspension bridge at the Elephant Center. We are crossing the Elephant Center now, completing the Elephant Center, and we are leaving to the beautiful hotel once again. So Anita, how did you enjoy the overall journey?
स्मॉल बेबी के साथ खूब ढेर सारा एंजॉय किया.
Enjoy the journey, guys.
उसको टच किया.
Enjoy the journey. Wonderful journey.
छोटा बेबी.
Yeah. Guys, you might be wondering where we are. We just completed the breeding center. Yay!
Hooray! Chota chota baby.
At the breeding center. Small babies had a good time. Canada?
Yes.
Literally had a very good time, guys. So now we are on the way to a hotel for the next sightseeing.
Yes.
Enjoyed. So thanks for watching this beautiful episode. Next episode, guys, don't miss the sunset view where all the animals will be visible in the sunset time. The next part is coming soon. Chitwan National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage for Himalayan Chronicle viewers. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the beautiful, lovely channel Himalayan Chronicles.